So we're here at Banh Cuon Hai Nam. It's a local Banh Cuon establishment here in Saigon, and we're about to go see. This is worth the hype. So just outside the restaurant, right when you enter, is where all the magic happens, right here. And this is where all the rice cake is hand breaded and steamed right there in that pot. Smells delicious. Now we're about to go inside the restaurant to eat. Banh Cuon. About to try it. Fish sauce nice and sweet, a little bit of spice. The ground beef, the ground meat in here is really juicy, right here. Really juicy. The rice cake is really soft, moist, and chewy. Some fresh veggies too. I see why this place is famous. Now we're gonna try with the extra meat add-on. This is like crispy breaded shrimp cake. Nice and fried, crispy. Really good. Fire. Steamed cha, steamed pork cake. Nice and sweet. Grilled jaw, grilled pork cake. Crunchier. Still fire. Been in Vietnam right now for about a couple weeks. I can tell that the difference between that makes all these dishes really good is the fresh herbs. It's my favorite about all these dishes. Nice, fresh, and healthy. I'm gonna wash this down with some fresh squeezed Vietnamese orange juice. Sweet. This will be like a deep fried shrimp cake. It honestly tastes like a deep fried sweet potato with a hint of shrimp. Still really good.
Wrapped in banana leaf. It's called Banh It with coconut filling. If it's the right one. Actually, it looks good.
I tried this Banh It dessert, purple rice paper filled with coconut filling, like sticky rice. Really sweet, coconutty, really good. Kind of tastes like mochi, but instead of ice cream filling, it's coconut filling. So we're leaving the restaurant now. That whole meal to feed around 6 people, about 402K, which is a little bit less than 20 bucks, I would say. About 50K for each person and plate. 50K is around like $2. So yeah, really good deal. It's really good. I'm full. See you guys in the next video.